Yo, what's up guys? Carson here with my first YouTube video. And we're going to be opening up so many packs on this channel. Our first one, we are going to be opening up Illusions 2019-2020 NBA cards. There's 6 cards per pack. And there's 6 packs. We look for Emerald and Ruby parallels. So, let's get into it. Let's get into it. This is my first video, so we gotta start it off with a banger. Got 6 packs. First one, I get the sleeves ready. Let's get it. And all these cards are cool. Like they're like rainbow, I think. Oh, I thought that was a numbered card, but it wasn't. Okay. Oh, that's a nice one. This Joel Embiid. Oh, Brook Lopez. Oh, Derek Favors. I see an emerald behind it, I think. Green. Ready? Oh my! Oh, I thought that was Zion. It was Pelicans, Rookie Reflections, Nickel Alexander, and Drew Holiday. Ready? This last one. Or not. This is card number 8. Jaylen Brown. And we got Guja Benitez rookie card. So it was a alright first pack. All these emeralds. Oh, I'm gonna sleeve this card. We were looking for Zion or Ja. Next pack. James Harden. Steven Adams. Malcolm Brogdon. Oh, that's a nice Kyle Kuzma. Look at that. Freddie Van Fleet. And Rue Hachimura rookie card. I want to see if this thing's numbered. That's a nice card, dude. Number 5. It's not numbered, but it's like card number 5. That's a dope card. Please, bro, we need this. Oh, I gotta have a rookie pile. Hold up. So these are all bases. Rookie. Alright. We got some nice like, regular players. We got like James Harden, Fred Van Fleet, Joel Embiid, Brook Lopez, Derek Favors, Jaylen Brown. We got some good ones. We got 4 packs remaining. Oh, I thought that was a... Kevin Knox. Chris Middleton. Damian Lillard. Like we're getting good players. Oh, Jimmy Butler. It's like that card that we got of Kuzma. I'm gonna sleeve that. DeMar DeRozan. And Kevin Porter Jr. rookie. It was good. Bro, praying. We need a Ja, bro. Let's get this Ja or Zion. Ja's on the cover of each pack because he was the rookie of the year. So let's get this. No way. Oh, I thought that was a, yeah, Frank. Oh my, I see like a really colorful one. Frank Nicolina, Devontae Graham. Oh my, LaMarcus Aldridge. Oh! Oh my gosh. Career lineage. Anthony Davis. Look how dope that is. Card number 21. It's not numbered, but it feels, that's a dope card. Dope. Jay Crowder and Kendrick Nunn. Sleeve it. Kendrick Nunn is good. He's on the Heat. They're in the NBA Finals right now. 2 packs left. I'm feeling the Zion or Ja in these last 2 packs. The rookies always in the back. Oh, we got it. Oh! Sleeve it! Sleeve it! Oh my gosh. I see a good one there. I mean, it's just a regular base card, but LeBron is really good. So just gotta save it. Victor Oladipo. Oh, that's a cool Jaren Jackson. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's a base Jaren Jackson. But look at that. Oh, this thing. Dope, dude. It's a Shining Stars Kyrie Irving number 11, but it's like the plastic. It's like the see-through. See? Like it's a see-through. That's dope, dude. This is that was a good pack. It's like those really like windy ones. And then we got Kyle Lowry and Kobe White. Last pack. I'll cover that up. Kristaps Porzingis, Devin Booker, Giannis Valanciunas. Oh, Joel Embiid, that cool. Oh, dude, I thought that was Zion. Brandon Ingram and Cam Reddish, rookie. He is good, dude. That was the first pack opening of my YouTube channel. You're gonna see a lot more of these cool pack openings. So just like and subscribe. Peace out. Oh, this is the Joel. Peace.